Generating reports. Within AllSeated, there are two types of reports that can be generated. Each report provides details regarding information for created floor plans and guest lists within an event. Once accessing a created event, the Reports tab is located within the top gray band. Once selecting the Reports tab, you will be presented with several drop-down menus. There are two types of reports you can generate: guest reports and floor plan reports. You can determine the type of report by selecting the first drop-down menu, Report Type. Guest reports will pull information from created guest lists within the Guest Management feature located under the Guests tab. Please review the Guest List Management tutorial for more information on how to create your own guest list. To generate a guest report, select which linked event you would like to pull from, the information fields you would like to see, how you would like information to be displayed, how you would like guest names to be displayed, party filters, and RSVP filters. Once you have desired information, select Generate for a report to load within your report viewing window. You will be able to print, PDF, or Excel export guest reports. The second report type is Floor Plan Reports. Select this report type within the first drop-down menu, Report Type. Floor plan reports will pull information of objects and guests that have been placed within a created floor plan. To generate this report, first select a floor plan from the Floor Plan drop-down menu. Then select or deselect the information you would like to see within the report. Select Generate for a report to load within your report viewing window. You will be able to print or PDF floor plan reports.